Oral arguments were heard at today's appeal before the Supreme Court. The Attorney General's office made an appearance to appeal the decision in their case against Department of Rev Tax Director John Camacho, Governor Eddie Calvo, Atlas Amusement Enterprises, Daryl Stiles DBA D&D Games, and Guam Music Inc. As KUAM reported, former Attorney General Leonardo Rapadas filed a lawsuit against Rev Tax and other defendants when DRT continued to issue gaming device licenses against the advice of the AG's office. The lower court made the decision not to disqualify the AG as DRT's attorney, but also ruled they would have to pay for their outside counsel. The AG is now asking that the High Court affirm the first ruling but reverse the second. Assistant AG Marianne Wolishuk.
The Attorney General has a legislatively appropriated budget. Appropriation and budgeting are exclusive legislative powers, and the trial court put requirements on the AG's budget in this case, and it's trying to take funds from the OAG and redistribute them to DRT and the governor, and this violates the separation of powers, and that's why we're asking this court to reverse the court below.
The separation of branches outlined in the Organic Act would not require the AG to pay DRT's outside counsel, as they belong to separate government branches. In contrast, Governor's Counsel Sandra Cruz Miller argued that it is the AG's responsibility to do so.
Sue it here for its rules and regulations, then it needs to at least assist it in finding an attorney and in helping to fund that attorney. Instead, the Attorney General's office just said, you're on your own, basically. And that is an abrogation of its duty as the chief legal officer.
While their arguments differ, both parties want clarification from the court. Attorney Curtis Vandeveld represents Daryl Stiles.
The question is largely to what extent does the Attorney General's office have autonomy in making decisions about litigation that it will commence, and this is an important question for the territory of Guam.
The Supreme Court will take both parties' arguments in consideration before making a final decision. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Kiani Mendiola.